That's my dog. And this is my shed barn pallet structure. I made it out of pallets 5 years ago, and this video will show you how I built it and give you some ideas on how to improve on this design. There's some things that I don't like and some things that I really do like about it, and hopefully you guys will learn something. One really cool feature is the skylights that I incorporated into the ceiling. This is where I work on my grip strength and do pull-ups, and this is where I open the shed. Current contents of my pallet barn structure is one pit bull, one mini bike, 3 four-wheelers. Right now I'm working on this one, put a new petroleum valve here. And by the way, possum is what's for dinner tonight. And let's see, I've got a riding lawnmower. I built this entrance here actually large enough and wide enough, I guess, for a Jeep. I had a Jeep parked here for 2 years, and it worked great for that. And the main purpose of building it was to protect this. Underneath that green tarp is a well pump, and I never liked the way that pipe was. It's very vulnerable, and I was worried a tree branch would fall on it. So I knew I'd have to build some kind of pump house, and I also needed some kind of building for my four-wheelers. And then I realized I could just do one big structure, for both, and it already has power going to it. So that's what I did. I had access to free pallets and figured out a way to make it work, and I'm really happy with how it all turned out. Again, it's been 5 years and really no issues at all. And I think it looks pretty cool too. Alright, let's look for a rat, okay? Ready?
Ew. That's sad. It's
Is it dead?
no, it's just suffocating.
What do you mean?
It's starting to die. It was like, and with a grandpa voice, it was like, "You kids get out of here." Go,